Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the progress that's been done re the construction on Spanish Town Road. So we are now on Spanish Town Road heading towards the intersection, or 3 miles, or the intersection with Hagley Park Road. As you can see, this road is in a terrible state, but the road is going to be rehabilitated soon. The contract has been given out and the contractor chosen, but the project was put on hold by the NWA, that's the National Works Agency, because they're waiting on the National Water Commission to finish with the laying of pipes. So this project on Spanish Town Road, it's actually 2 projects. The first project is for Water Commission to lay water pipes, and the second project is for NWA, National Works Agency, to rehabilitate the road, which is basically paving the road and putting in proper drainage. So Water Commission gave out their contract to a contractor, and their NWC pipeline, actually, the name of the project is the Spanish Town Road Potable Water Transmission Main Project. Now that's a US $25 million project to lay water pipes along the Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of Central and downtown Kingston. So those pipes were actually laid, and then NWC said they were going to have to pressure test the pipes to make sure everything was okay, and once that's done, they'll sign off on the contract, and then NWA, National Works Agency, can begin their project, which is a rehabilitation work on Spanish Town Road. And that project is for 11 million Jamaican dollars. Basically, they're just going to pave over the road and fix the drainage. Now, NWC says their project entails to replace aged transmission mains that break and affect the reliability of water supply to surrounding communities. Now, there are a lot of communities off Spanish Town Road, very large communities that keep growing, and so the pipes that were there, that were laid before, were old, they were breaking, and they were not big enough to adequately supply the water to the communities. So NWC is going to be laying 6 kilometers of 35-inch pipes, 4 kilometers of 24-inch pipes, and 4 kilometers of 6 and 8-inch pipes. And these pipes are supposed to last decades, and they will be large enough to deliver water for the communities. So the communities of Spanish Town Road now, you have Olympic Gardens, you have Seaview Gardens, you have the Riverton area, you have Washington Gardens, you have Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, West Kingston, a lot of very large communities. So it's very good that the government decided to replace these water pipes, but it's just unfortunate that it's taking so long. I don't know why, because the pipes were laid months ago. We have videos up showing the construction, really laying of the pipes. So we just have to wait on and Water Commission announced they were pressure testing the pipes months ago. So I'm not sure why this project is still taking so long. But when it comes on to these things, I guess you just have to be patient and do it correctly, because you don't want a scenario where the road is paved over and then they have to dig it up because something is wrong with the pipes. So hopefully soon this project will be completed, as this is a very busy road and you can see the state of the road. And basically this road runs from Mandela Highway to downtown Kingston. It also runs to Hagley Park Road, which takes you to Halfway Tree. So Mandela Highway, very nice road, first world quality road. Hagley Park Road, recently upgraded, highway quality road. Marcus Garvey Drive, recently upgraded, highway quality road. So Spanish Town Road is the only weak link in the chain, you could say. Once this road is completed, You're going to be drive on highway quality roads right through the city of Kingston. You can drive into or out of the city on some of the best roads in Jamaica. So hopefully they finish it soon so that this project can be finished and they move on to another main road. They have announced that they're going to be renovating East Kings House Road, so hopefully that project will start soon. And all these road works, they help with the flow of traffic through the city of Kingston. Now, Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica. It has over 1 million people and it's the capital of Jamaica. So anything that can be done to ease the flow of traffic will only benefit Jamaica or the city. And I must say the government has been doing a very good job in renovating these main roads. And you have to give credit to the NWA, the National Works Agency, because they are the agency responsible for the main roads. Now Jamaica has a system where the main roads are the responsibility of the NWA, the National Works Agency, which is in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Yep. There is a Ministry of Transport and Mining, but the NWA is not in that ministry. That is for another video as to why that is. However, NWA is in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. They are in charge of all the main roads and bridges in Jamaica. Now, the parochial roads are the responsibility of the parish council, not the NWA, the parish council. And then you have a third set of roads, which is the farm roads. And the farm roads are the responsibility of RADA, which is in the Ministry of Agriculture. So when you see a road that needs fixing, I guess if you quarrel with the government, you have all bases covered, but you have 3 different agencies or entities responsible for the road. So you first have to identify what kind of road it is. Is it a main road, a parochial road, or a farm road? And then you'll know who is responsible for fixing that road. As I said, that setup and the location of the NWA, that's for another video. But I think they need to revisit that model and probably have one agency responsible for all the roads in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You can leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.